Okay, factorizing by splitting the middle term. Let's take this example. 6x squared plus 17x plus 5 is equal to 0. So what we do is we multiply 6 and 5. 6 and 5, 6 into 5 is 30. And the factors of 30 are 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 6 and 5. 1 30s are 30, 2 15s are 30, 6 5s are 30. So the best would be 2 and 5, 15, because 2 and 15 when you add you get 17. So this is the best we have. 6x squared, we write down here 15x plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. We pair this, group this like that. From here we can take out 3x. If you take 3x, this will become 2x plus 5, and here we can take out 1 and we get 2x plus 5. So finally you get 2x plus 5 as common from both. Here also, and when you have this and this, 2x plus 5 is the common. So we write down 2x plus 5 here, multiplied by 3x plus 1. It is necessary that you have, in both these expressions, you have 2x plus 5 common. So 2x plus 5 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 5 and 3x plus 1 are the factors of the term 6x squared of the polynomial 6x squared plus 17x plus 5.